Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable chat on Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To enable chat on Among Us, open up your Among Us application first. Also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, tap on the gear icon at the bottom of the screen. Here in this menu, you'll be allowed to change all the basic settings for your game. From the General tab, tap on the Censor Chat option and make sure that it is turned on. You can now go back to the main homepage and open up your game mode from the option. Find the game that you'd like to join into and under Chat Type, select whether you'd like to enable free chat or quick chat option. After you are done, you can go back and start your game. That is how you can enable chat on Among Us. Now you can simply chat with your friends while playing the game. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.